Hi there and welcome. Thanks for joining our session, Unite Teams and Tools with Miro and Microsoft. My name is 𝗦𝗲𝗀𝗀𝗻 and I'm the Chief Product Evangelist at Miro. And I spend much of my time talking with our major customers to understand their needs and concerns when it comes to collaboration. And I hear all too often how important it is to have seamless integrations with all of their important tools. I hope to share more information in this session about how Miro and Microsoft are making this happen. One of the things that drew me to Miro was its mission. Throughout its evolution, from online whiteboard to visual collaboration pioneer, Miro has been on a mission to empower teams to create the next big thing as fast as possible. And most recently, we launched the AI Innovation Workspace to empower teams to get further, faster, and together. For organizations investing heavily in the Microsoft ecosystem, Miro ensures those investments drive team-level innovation and not just individual efficiency. To better understand the current state of collaboration and how AI can help, we surveyed 6,000 knowledge workers around the world. And our findings reveal that collaboration remains central to what makes work work, with 3 in 4 people ranking collaboration as a top determinant of a great workday. And everybody wants those. And yet, these knowledge workers also cited 2 major obstacles to effective and efficient teamwork. The first is a proliferation in what we call maintenance work. Those are those admin tasks, all of those emails, and meetings that seem to fill up our calendar. And while these are important routine tasks, work that relies on more creative or strategic and uniquely human skill is all too often put on the back burner. In fact, for every hour they spend on this type of innovation work, knowledge workers say they spend at least 3 hours on maintenance work. And they attribute the rising tide of maintenance work primarily to tooling. 58% agree that outdated technology is a leading factor, while 43% cite fragmented tools and 39% point to inadequate use of AI. And in addition to navigating this imbalance between momentum and maintenance work, teams are navigating deeply siloed organizations. We find that the most pervasive silos are informational silos, where data and knowledge are simply spread across too many tools, communication silos, where different teams are relying on different tools to share information, and finally, functional silos, which interfere directly with cross-functional collaboration. As more and more organizations are turning to AI, we're starting to see the growth of single-player AI tools within certain functions. Think like Claude or ChatGPT in marketing, or maybe even Cursor in engineering. This is actually exacerbating the silos that already exist. People may be running faster individually, but they're also running in different directions. And so that's why we at Miro believe that AI needs to live where teams come together. When that happens, AI understands the full team context and contributes to team speed, not just individual task automation. Miro serves as your centralized AI innovation workspace, seamlessly integrating with the Microsoft tools that teams already use daily to bridge strategy and execution without switching context. Our deep integrations span 3 key areas of the Microsoft stack. Now let's take a look. First, we eliminate workflow fragmentation through Microsoft 365. Your teams can reference Office documents directly on Miro boards, transform Office files into Miro docs and tables, and embed Miro diagrams into Word and PowerPoint, all while maintaining context and fidelity. This means moving seamlessly from visual roadmaps to presentations, or from user research to PRDs, all without losing the thread of your work. Second, we enhance collaboration through Microsoft Copilot. Our declarative agent helps teams surface the right Miro boards within Teams and Word, transform conversations into visual flowcharts and sticky notes, and add collaborative context to AI outputs. The canvas becomes your shared context layer, where AI understands your team's collective intelligence. And third, we provide enterprise-grade security through Microsoft Purview, Entra ID, Intune, and Defender. This includes seamless user provisioning, comprehensive activity monitoring, and the ability to import sensitivity labels from Purview to maintain consistent information classification. We're also launching as a DSPM partner, giving admins visibility into Miro AI usage directly within Purview. By giving teams the tools they need on a single shared canvas, Miro's Microsoft Integration Suite helps organizations turn their Microsoft investments into team-level innovation, not just individual efficiency. Teams can finally focus on that creative and strategic work they crave. We're built into your workflow, we're enterprise ready, and we're designed to help teams get great done together. I hope you found this session insightful. You can find the research I shared in the autumn 2025 issues of Microsoft Technology Record by scanning the QR code if you want to share this information with your team. And don't forget to explore the Miro for Microsoft integration in the Miro Marketplace. Thanks for listening.